ever wanted to be an astronaut or a astrophysicist or something in that nature? See? There's a few of you I can see. Well, what if I told you those jobs aren't always very common, depending on where you live? But should they? So this is the moon landing. Now, imagine in, 100 years or less than that even, maybe, if this does really work, we might be landing on the moon, or even a distant planet, maybe like Pluto, depending on how science goes, because it can be slow or it can be fast. This is the Hubble telescope. This thing can see other stars in other galaxies, which it does not have air pollution and the atmosphere pollution, because the atmosphere, it makes the stars twinkle. This is the observable universe. To us, as far as we can know, the universe is expanding, because this is where the farthest light we can see. But what if you stood on the edge of the observable universe and shot an arrow? It would just keep going. So you'd go pick it up, you could shoot it again. So therefore, the universe is not just that. So from our perspective, it is expanding. Now, according to the Drake equation, there are over 1 million civilizations in the universe. So that's a civilization, that's a civilization, that's a civilization. A lot of these stars have civilizations, but we just don't know because of the chances of the equation. Because the space of the universe is huge. So there's bound to be more than one other culture or civilization. Now, I had a friend, and she's still a friend, and she wanted to be the first person to land on Mars. Now, that probably, when she discovered that, wasn't that common. But now, their chances are, because science has gotten better. So this is a white hole. It is the exact opposite of a black hole. Instead of sucking in, light and matter, it spews it out like a fountain. So it is one of the brightest things we can see easily. Now, who here knew about white holes? See, only a few of you. Now, you see this? All that really bright stuff? That is quasar. Quasar is matter that has literally been torn apart by a black hole. It is the brightest thing that exists to mankind that we know of. So, the universe, a civilization could be born with each other. It could be like this, or it could, be some just peaceful planet. Or, it could just be a peaceful universe where everyone isn't fighting each other, where there might only be one civilization, but there might be many. We won't know until we look.